Welcome everyone. Last week when we announced about the IT Academy, we got so many questions, Some people were curious, some people were excited, and some people had some doubt. So in this video, we'll try to answer those questions. In fact, we tried to answer most of your questions, but then we realized that most of the questions are almost same. So why not just make a page out of it and you can get your answers, right? Maybe on the website or a single document or a video. So what we are trying to do now is, this is a video where I will try to answer those questions which are very frequent. And if you have some more questions, just go to description area. You will find a link. Just click on that and you will see a document where you can see the answers. Or if you have some more questions apart from that, feel free to go to the IT Academy and ask your question there. So one of the questions which I got is, who can benefit from this IRP? In fact, there's one specific question which I got is, there was a guy who was in 12th standard and is it good for him? Of course not, right? Because if we talk about industry, if you need a job now, you need to have a degree, right? A graduation degree with you. This IRP will be an edge for you. So if you have a graduation certificate, and this will be an edge given to you, right? So this will be helpful for those people who have done their graduation and they're looking for a job, or people who are in final year. Of course, right, if you're doing this course, which is IRP, it will take 6 months. And the moment you complete your 6 months, you will be done with your graduation as well. So this will be helpful for people who have graduated and who are doing their final year. So next one is what you will be getting from this IRP. In fact, we have talked about that in the video as well, or you can just go to the website, you will find the entire link. Of course, you will be getting a lot of self-paced training, right, on communication, on aptitude skills and interview practice as well. And of course, you will be getting the track as well. If you're going for Python track, you will get Python tutorials. If you are going for IoT track, you will get IoT tutorials, right? So that's something you will get. Apart from that, you will also get one-to-one sessions. You will get face-to-face interaction in 2 locations. So one is Hyderabad, second one is Bangalore. And the most important thing is the internship and of course a job. And then some people had a question, what about internship you will be getting? So of course, internship will be dependent upon the track you choose and the company which you prefer. We will try to get you the best company suitable for you, and this will be most of the startups plus some business innovating company. Then one of the question is about the deadlines, okay, by when you have to enroll. So IRP is starting from 2nd September, right? And then of course you have to enroll before that, and we also have limited seats. Once we have reached the limit, of course we'll be closing the enrollments. And I know you also have a question on the pricing, about how can you pay for it, and then is it worth investing, right? So you will find all those answers in the description area, right? So do check it out and let me know if you have more questions. Just go to the IT Academy, and if you have some more questions, just post it there. So before closing, we have one important question, and that is, what if we fail to give you the job, right? Because that is very important, right? Ultimate goal of this IRP is to make you job ready and give you the job. So what if you don't get a job after the course? So of course, once you complete the course properly, you will get a certificate. And once you get certificate, from that point for next 60 days, if we fail to give you the job, you will get your money back. So that's the promise the IT Academy is giving to you. So don't worry.